Welcome back. This is part 2 to our Boxycharm and FabFitFun unboxing. If you haven't seen part 1, click on the link in the description box to check that out first. Or click on the iCard right above. Alright, on to part 2.
This is our quarterly box. This is our spring FabFitFun box.
Cool.
The box is super cute and I really am ready to find out who designed it and what it's all about. Let's see.
Alright. So again, FabFitFun, if you don't know, is a quarterly box. It does require that you fill out a questionnaire, right? To give you an idea or give them an idea of what your style is like. Do they have a theme this one? Or this quarter?
It's their 5th anniversary. So cool. It's their little magazine that comes with it. Alright. Ooh, okay. So the first thing that caught my eye were these earrings. This is Etika, Los Angeles. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that.
So looks like, yes, Etika maybe?
Okay.
Daydreamer tassel earrings. Retails for $58. Oh,
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my
Like a heart
god.
attack. Alright.
$58 for some earrings?
Yes, indeed. It looks like it comes in 2 shades. So others may have received the black, but this is the pink and maybe peach colored.
So it says a tip. These earrings are perfect to wear with a t-shirt and washed out jeans. That's cute that they give you a whole outfit idea for it. I could see that. I could see that.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Next item. Ish.
Ish.
I said that right this time.
All right.
It is what?
Ish is a lip statement palette.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute. Just pucker up, ladies. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm.
11.
Cool. Retails for $42.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Those are
pretty.
Colors. This is cute.
That is really cute.
Alright, what is this?
Rachel Pally. What is that?
Let's see. Ooh, I got a bag.
So cute.
Oh, this is like just like leather on one side, canvas on the other.
Here we go. Rachel Pally reversible clutch in bloom, Zara or Paradise.
I like this.
Yeah. So this actually retails for $60. That's cute.
That's cute.
I think I'll be borrowing that.
I like that it's reversible.
Yes.
I just see myself getting beside dirty though.
Lord.
This is cute. It even came in a bag.
That's cute.
This is cute. Rachel Pally.
Nice. All right.
Next,
Yeah.
3 people and understand.
Yep. Leather starry-eyed travel eye mask.
Oh my god. Leather again. Oh.
Really? Is it on both
It's
sides?
nice and cool and it's like jelly.
Oh, it's jelly. Oh, that's nice.
I like it. Oh, you can actually take it out to cool it if you like, I'm assuming.
Yeah, it says this is a vegan leather eye mask. Features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed.
How much is this?
$40. But you got it in your box.
Oh, this is cute. Okay, so the box is $39.99.
Right?
And we've already gotten
We're well over $100 at this point.
worth of gifts. Yay! Alright. I feel like I need to put it back.
Ooh,
Back. What is What is this? Okay. It's a massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after intense workout.
So this is Physique 57 massage roller. It says the massage roller does the wonders for sores, achy muscles, and improves flexibility.
I just came from the gym, so we'll see.
Really?
We'll see how this works. I'll let you
boy.
guys know, because I do have some tension in my
Well,
shoulders.
you know what? At least it's like a carry-on size, so you could throw it in your bag and take it with you if you travel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting.
$20 retail price.
lotion from Murad.
You know, I love Murad. That's probably one of the first moisturizers that I used that I felt really did something for my skin. Looks like that one. Guess how much that retails for? I mean, it's Murad.
Just because I know Murad, maybe like $60.
$40.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, look. I stole these from Sheila like months ago because they were in her Boxycharm.
Oh, you mean, do I get mine back?
Yes, you get one. Oh, these are KNC Beauty Lip Hydration.
Have you used it yet? Did you use it?
I did. I used
used
myself a mini facial.
This was really nice.
I
actually liked it.
I did. It took a little while to get it on my extremely large lips.
Really?
And get it to stay. But they're actually pretty big, so it covered
everything around the lips.
I was like, okay, I'm just making sure everyone is covered. Gotcha.
Oh, I actually don't see this one on the list. Oh, there it is. $25. And how many do you get? The 5-pack?
5-pack.
All right, and a little carrying bag.
Yeah,
That's
it's a
cute.
little cute carrying ticket. Cute. All right, next in here, number 14, Super Bloom.
Perfume.
Is it? No.
Oh, it's a candle. Oh, nice. All right, Anderson Lily Sunset Collection Candle in Manhattan Beach. Fresh linen or Super Bloom. What scent do you have?
Super Bloom. It is basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet.
She knows I love scents.
There's just so much stuff in here though. Jasmine, rose,
Oh, it smells
cashmere,
great, though.
moss. It does smell good. I like that it's in a double box.
$45.
For the candle. I already know. Obviously, I don't spend $45 on a candle.
Oh, but
It's a parachute.
too cute.
Cute, but glad it came in my FabFitFun
Yes.
box. All right, so we're not done. There's still more. Dermalect. You have to read that.
Derma, what?
I'll just show you.
Dermalect Cosmeceutical Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Say what?
What?
Keeps your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture.
Nail polish.
Yeah, right.
Gotcha. But it's like a crater filler for your nails. Nail polish.
$18 retail price.
All right, last but not least, it looks like
Alrighty. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish.
cute.
It's actually pretty small. I'm sorry.
Macadamia and rice milk.
Is that a sample size?
I think so.
Now, FabFit, why are you gonna do us like that?
They've got to include everyone,
But
but also, how much was all this other stuff? For Pete's sakes, we have a leather eye mask, a $45 candle,
right,
a massager for $20-something,
right.
a clutch made of leather. I mean, oh,
That's really cute.
wait,
though.
I'm not done. An itch palette. I feel like there's just more and more and more.
This is just too cute.
Awesome. All right. She can borrow it, in return. So that's it for us with FabFitFun Spring Box.
And our March Boxycharm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and let us know what you think.
And we're doing giveaways, so stay
Yes.
tuned. We have one going on right now, so if you haven't, you need to subscribe to our channel and like us on Instagram. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.